Let's go. Yeah.
Actually a big one, which is getting honest feedback on your video content. Now, I'm here to tell you that I've seen creators out there, they're willing to rip you down and tell you all the things that you're doing wrong, and they have no clue of what they're talking about. And then on the flip side, you have other creators that want to lift you up and pat you on the back when you actually have subpar content. Now, the best way to do that is to join a group of people that actually get it. That's why members of this channel, we have a private Discord server. You'll find the link in the description below. Word of warning, that's not where you get a lot of the feedback. That's where you find the people that will give you the ultimate feedback. And this is the next way that I actually do it, which is have a great mastermind. Now, what a mastermind is, when you get 4 or 5 or 6 people together, that you open up everything, you show them everything, and everyone has a vested interest to see you succeed because you're helping them succeed as well. That's where you can have a lot of success here on YouTube, is surrounding yourself by the right people at the right time. And that's where it will take you to the next level.
I'm my own dream catcher. I'm not the type to take it nice and slow. I'm not the type to take the answer, no. I'm not the type to quit and let it go. I'm my own dream catcher.